In this lesson, we'll learn about the Prune Membership tool in Maya. The Prune Membership tool will remove any weights from deformers that are not using those points. So for instance, take this cluster. If we were to, let's say, select the object that the cluster is tied to and head over to Edit Deformers and choose Prune Membership Cluster, nothing's really going to happen. We're still going to get the same deformations. However, if we were to zero out this cluster, to bring it back to where it was created originally, then select our object again and head over to Prune Membership Cluster, you'll see that now as we start to move the cluster around, no longer are those points being affected. Now, if we ever wanted to, let's say, re-weight those points back to the cluster, what we'd have to do is head over to Window, Relationship Editors, Deformer Sets. At this point, we can select the cluster and then select the object that we would like to add to the cluster set. So in our case, it'd be our basketball object. Now with that selected again, if we were to select our cluster, deselect the ball, we can go ahead and start to move the cluster around, and you'll see that the entire ball is moving. So at this point, we can use something like, let's say, the Paint Set Membership tool, or even the Paint Cluster Weights tool to redistribute the weights to get the same bubble effect we had before. But let's look at the Prune Membership tool in Maya. Again, a useful tool when wanting to remove any points not being used by deformers.